What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video you are going to see how to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. It's actually nothing much to do. You have to head over to your Instagram, head over to your profile, and here tap on the three lines icon on the top right. Here scroll down until you find the logout section, and from here just log out from your account from this device, and then log in to with your account in another device with your password and your email or your username. So yeah, this is the way with which you can just transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. There's nothing much to do other than logging into your account in another device. So yeah, this is the way with which you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.